All right, so let me show you the best way, in my opinion, the easiest, quickest way to do this problem. Whenever you see a fraction in an equation, like here, even if it's just a simple little fraction, just clear it by multiplying everything in the equation by 2. This is just in my opinion, a pretty easy way to do this. So every single thing here gets multiplied by 2, but notice I don't have to put it in here because I'm multiplying it by 2 on the outside, right? So this would become 8r minus 10 equals negative 1 minus 8 times r plus 1. And now it's a much easier problem to deal with. You don't have to stress about fractions. So now distribute, there's again a couple ways, orders you can do that, but distribute the negative 8. Now move the r's to the left, so I'm adding 8r to both sides, so this becomes 16r, and at minus 10, 16r minus 10, see what I did there? Mm-hmm. And then these add together, because they're both on the same side, minus 9. 16r equals, add 10 to both sides, right? Mm-hmm. 16r equals 1. R equals 1 over 16.
Got it. That's easy too.
So here's another one just to show you again that strategy, clearing the fraction. So this is a 3 here. I just made this up. Okay. So that's a 3. So clearing the fraction would multiply by the least common denominator. So I can't multiply by 2, because then I wouldn't get rid of the 3. I can't multiply just by 3, so I have to multiply by both of them,
6.
Which is, of course, 6, right? So multiply everything by 6. This becomes 30x. This becomes, notice the 6 and the 3 cancel, and you just get 2 times 2, which is 4. You understand that? You understand how I get plus 4 there? Equals, now what happens when I multiply this by 6? What happens?
Cancels out the 2.
Yep, and you're left with 3 times 7, which is?
18, right? No?
21. Plus, and then don't forget to multiply that by 6 also, which is 36x. Got it?
Yeah.
Super easy problem now, right? Now which way should I move the x's? You don't always want to move them left. You want to move them where they're positive. So I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides, 30x. And at the same time, I'm going to move this over here by subtracting 21. So what's 4 minus 21? Negative 17, and this is positive 6. And so x equals negative 17 over 6.